Question 13. Ali spends 800 quid in total. His rent is 30% of that 800, but his rent's going up 20%. He's still going to spend 800, and we have to work out his new rent as a percentage of 800. Okay, well, let's start by working out how much rent he's currently paying, which is 30% of 800. So, how do you convert 30% of 800 into maths? You do it like this. 30% of 800. So, what can we do? Well, 2 zeros on the top, 2 on the bottom, so let's cancel them. So it becomes 30 times 8 over 1. In other words, just 30 times 8, which is 240. Okay? So he's currently spending 240 on rent. Now that is going up by 20%. So we need to increase 240 by 20%. The best way, I think, to do this is to multiply by 1.20, the thing that you're trying to increase. So to increase something by 20%, you multiply by 1 point and then the percentage, 1.20 or 1.2. So what's that? How do you do, this is non-calc, so how do you do that in your head? Well, a good idea is to work out what 0.1 of 240 is. 0.1 is just 10%, so that's just 24. So therefore, 0.2 of 240 is twice that, so 48. So therefore, 1.2 of 240 is 0.2 of 240, 48, plus 1 of 240, so 240. So it's 240 plus 48, which is 288. So, after his rent's gone up 20%, he's now paying 288. He was paying 240, now it's 288. He's still spending 800, and we have to work out what percentage 288 is of 800. So, you stick it into the percentage formula. 288 as a percentage of 800 is written like this. 288 divided by 800 times 100. Something as a percentage of something else, you divide it like that and multiply by 100, and that will give you the percentage. So if you like, you can write the unit of percent in there. So what's this? Well, let's cancel the zeros again. 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. So that's 288 times 1 on top, which is 288, divided by 8. So 288 divided by 8. Let's try it like this the first time. Again, it's non-calc, so we have to do this. 8 into 28, sorry, 8 into 2 doesn't go, so we do 8 into 28. Well, 3 8s is 24, remainder of 4. 8 into 48 goes 6. So the answer is 36%. That's it. If you don't like doing division that way, another way you can do it is like this. We've got 288 divided by 8. You can notice that they're both even. It's always a good idea if you've got something divided by something else and you have to simplify, just always check if they're both even, because if so, you can divide both of them by 2. So 188 divided by 2 is 144. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then check again. Are they both even? Yes, they are. So same again. Divide 144 by 2. It's 72. Divide 4 by 2. It's 2. So we're left with 72 divided by 2, which is, again, as it should be, 36. What kind of a landlord puts rent up by 20%?